Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, if you're watching us for the first time, please subscribe so that whenever we're producing a video like this one, you'll be automatically getting a notification via YouTube. So today morning, we have seen the United Opposition marching into the Jogoo Road office of the IG Kanja. Many people are wondering why, but the United Opposition is going there to claim on her the injustices that the opposition has been facing recently of late, whereby Rigathi Gachagua has been maybe tear gas severally while attending the churches, and also suppressing their political rallies. So they're taking it as a wrong move. And though maybe some of the people who have gone there are Eugene Wamalwa, Rigathi Gachagua himself, Martha Karua, uh, and their principal leaders of the opposition. So maybe let's see as what they're agitating for. Okay, it's right, but of late we've seen them going to the IBC offices claiming there's some wrong things that have been happening regarding the boundaries and even the election partaking of itself. Though we saw Junet saying that there's a pressure that there is familiar of when the elections are coming and nearing, there's a pressure that you're going. So give us your opinion in the comment section. Is it that they are terrified or they are doing something that is good